Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at the VDV DOS virus. This virus infects COM files and activates from December 24th through December 26th, making it the perfect virus to look at for Christmas. So let's go ahead and run it. We can see nothing overtly obvious happening, but this is not a direct action infector. You don't have to run a file which will then be infected by the virus. VDV will pick one random COM file when it feels like it and infect it. So of course, let's take a look at our old friend Graphics.com, which is 19,742 bytes. Oh, no it's not. It's 20,595 bytes, as VDV has already infected it. So hey, go virus, that's pretty cool. Pick the right file the first try. Well, let's look at sys.com then. Let's see if that's been infected. So no, it only picked graphics. So sys.com is uninfected, and its uninfected length is 9,432 bytes. We're going to run VDV a bunch of times to see if we can infect it. Every now and then we get some hard drive activity. Alright, let's check. So there we go. VDV has infected sys.com, which has grown in size to 10,285 bytes. So before we get to the fun payload routine, let's take a look at one thing. I have here a very important document I've been working on all semester. So as you can see, this is my term paper. If anything happens to it, I'd probably fail the course, so of course we wanted to survive. At least I do. We are going to go back to the DOS directory and change the date to the 25th because, hey, it's Christmas. 'Tis the season to infect yourself with viruses. And let's run graphics. Since it's already infected, we now get a nice blocky Christmas tree and some German text. I'll leave it up to you guys to translate it if you'd like. We can see the virus is from December 1990, making it almost as old as me. We hit enter, and we go back to DOS. Everything is fine. Look at that. So it's not destructive. Everything's pretty good. We're just going to restart real quick and take a look at our files. And I'll let you listen to the seek test. Merry Christmas. So there we go, we boot up normally. Oh, whoa. Okay. That's definitely not normal. So real quick, I'm going to run the program that makes DOS run in 60 Hertz, so it looks better for the video. And let's take a look at what happened. Because we noticed that program didn't run anymore. Man, I cannot type. Oh, editing autoexecute.bat seems to just tell us it's Christmas. That's not good. Oh, you know, I don't think this is going to start many programs very reliably. And this would explain the bad commander file name messages appearing over and over as it tried to parse each line of this as a program to be executed. So that's gone. How about our drivers in config.sys? Okay, Merry Christmas, yes. Uh-oh. Drivers gone. Wait, what about my term paper? Yes, I know. Let me see my paper that I've worked so hard on. No. So, VDV infects your COM files, and then from December 24th through the 26th will overwrite everything in the root of your C drive with this Christmas message. So what a nice gift. You'll lose any important files that you may have been keeping in that directory. So quite destructive. It doesn't outright delete any files, or corrupt the operating system, or format your drive. It just completely ruins some of your files. And isn't that a fun Christmas gift to wake up to? So that is about it for the VDV DOS virus. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Thank you all so much for joining me once again here on this channel. And of course, thank you very much for watching. Take care.